Welcome. This is Howdy Honda's web series on how to use the technology in your brand new Honda vehicle. Today we're going to be talking about 3 different features in your 2019 Honda Ridgeline. The sliding rear window, the fold-up rear seats, as well as the in-bed trunk. First, the sliding rear window. The controls are located up above in the center console. On the left side, you have the control for your sunroof. On the right side, you have the controls for your sliding rear window. You'll pull the switch back to open the window, and you push the switch forward to close the window. To fold up the rear seats, pull and release the handle, then firmly press against the seat back until you hear it click. One way to open the in-bed trunk is to lower the tailgate, reach in, and push the button. The second way is to swing the tailgate open by grabbing the handle where it says release. The in-bed trunk allows for storage of items in the bed to keep them away from elements such as weather, water, and dust.